Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this setup I am using two indicator and you will see how much profitable trades you will get after using this system. So in this setup I am using one indicator that is called simple logo 4.8, and I will show you the details at the end of the video. First you have need to understand the logic how you can go for the buy and sell trade, because if you will follow my rules, then you will definitely will get around 90% plus accuracy by using only the volume indicator and the RSI and the band lines. Okay, there are three band lines: upper band line, lower band line, and the lower band line and middle band line. And here you can see there are some ribbon. Okay, this is called a RSI ribbon. Okay, it's very important. And the second indicator I'm using the volume. In the volume indicator you can see the yellow line. Okay, and when this yellow line is below from the 0 point, okay, you can see here this is 0 point. Okay, this is 0 point here you can see, and when the yellow line is upside from the yellow point, you can see the market is going to upside. Okay, and when the yellow line is below from the 0 point, you can say from this point you can see got the sell signal, and you can see you got profitable trade. Okay, same thing around here you can see. Okay, every time you will get consistent profit. So now the rules, I have to tell you the rules and each and everything. Just watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Okay, I am telling you again, do not miss any point. Okay, now there are three band lines: the upper band lines, the lower band line, and the middle band line. Okay, and you have need to watch. There are lot of sell and buy signals. You do not need to go on all trades. Okay, you have need to follow my rules. You will get the point where you got the perfect trade. Let me show you some explain. Here you can see this is the 0 point, and the yellow line come below from the 0 point. Okay, this is the volume indicator. In the volume indicator, yellow line is come below from the 0 point. So this is your you can say market will go downside, or you can say the sell volume is increasing. And the second thing you have to watch, either the RSI is almost very close or upside from the upper band line, then that is called your oversold condition. First you have to watch the volume. The second you have to watch either it's a oversold condition. If yes, then definitely you will go for the sell trade. At this point, oh okay, it's loading. Okay, we are around here, we are discussing that point. Okay, at this point you can see the RSI is almost touching to the upper band line or upside from the upper band line. Okay, you are getting sell signal as well. The first condition, you have need to watch the RSI should be upside from the upper band line, or at least very close to the upper band line. And the second condition, you must got the sell signal. The third condition, the yellow line must be below from the 0 point. Then this is your perfectly sell trade, and you can book your profit when any candle touch to the lower band. Here you can see you can book your profit, or you can book your profit here. First you have to go for the sell trade, and you can book your profit. The second trade here is sell trade, and you can see you got the profit here. The third trade here, and you got the profit. The fourth trade here, and you can book your profit at this point. Okay, you got 4 consecutive profits on the sell trade. Now we have to discuss further. At this point, RSI is now again upside from the upper band line. Okay, you are getting sell signal. Two conditions true. Now we have need to watch the third condition. This yellow line should be below. Here you can see at this point the yellow line is below. So this is your perfectly sell trade from this point, and you can see you got the profit, 5 consecutive profit. And I am facing some question from the Indian people that either the system this indicators are working on Indian market like Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 or something. So I have need to show you the results in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 as well. Okay, I will show you the result. First you have need to watch the complete video. Okay. From so now this is your again profitable trade. After getting buy signal, you can see you this yellow line come upside from this point. At this point the yellow line come upside, okay, from the 0 point. So now you can go for the buy trade. If you need, you can go for the buy trade, but I will not recommend. Why? Because now if we go for the buy trade, yes, from this point to that point, okay, from this point, if we got buy trade from this point, then definitely that was your good profit, okay. But from this point, if you need to go for the buy trade, then definitely your take profit is too small. So I'm not recommended this one. Okay, let me show you more details here. Here you can see this one. You can see from this point, you can see, okay, where you have to put your stop loss. I will give you the explain in this video. At this point I will give you the detail where you have to put your stop loss. Okay, first you have to watch. You can see at this point the RSI is below from the lower band line. You are getting buy signal, and the yellow line is upside from the upper band line. Strongly buy condition. So that is your buy condition. First rule is true now, and you have to go for the buy trade. Okay, you have to go for the buy trade from this candle. Okay, and where you have to put your stop loss. So we have need to first we have need to watch the where we have need to take profit. Your take profit is when the candle touch to the upper band line. So this is your take profit. So this is your take profit, and the candle where we take entry at this point. So after that you have need to drag and drop below from the candle. Okay, at this candle we take entry. So we have need to place this line to add where we go for the buy entry. Okay, so from this point, now this is your stop loss. This is your stop loss. Now you got my point. Hopefully now your stop loss will not hit and your take profit is almost hit. Now you have need to go again buy trade. Okay, and hopefully it will give the profit. Yes, it's give you the profit. Now if we move further, here you can see from this candle you can go for the buy sell entry at this point. So this is your perfectly selected. Your take profit is almost done. Okay, so how you can see this is so much profitable system or indicators, sorry. Okay, in the gold this was the most recent buy entry. Okay, and again buy entry here as well, but at this point the RSI was not below from the lower band line, but at this point you can see the RSI is below. So this is your our bought condition, and the volume is saying that the volume is increasing, so you can go for the buy trade. And yes, you can see the volume is consistently increasing, and here at this point there is no sell volume. This is strongly buy condition here, and you can see the results are amazing. So from this point you can see RSI is upside from the upper band line. So this is your oversold condition, but you have to watch the volume. At the volume you can see the yellow line come below from at this point. So you have to go for the sell trade. If you need, you can go for the sell trade, but it's not recommended. Why? Because if you go for the sell trade from this point, then definitely it give you the profit from at this point, but you are almost missing the profit. So I am not recommended this entry. Okay, so hopefully you will get my all points. Now let me show you some more details. From this point here you can see, so this is your buy entry. Okay, because the RSI was below. So this is your perfectly buy trade. Okay, and you can book your profit here, or you can book your profit at this point. Okay, now here you can see, you can go for the buy trade, you can book your profit here. Okay, it's a very small profit, and again you can see here, this is your buy trade, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, it was amazing. Okay, okay, now this one, this is your buy trade, and you can see you got the buy trade. This is not your buy trade. Okay, but at this point the yellow line come upside, so this is your perfectly buy trade, and you got the amazing profit. This is again your buy trade, because you can see the yellow line, so this is again buy trade, and you can see you got the profit here. So I was facing lot of questions from the Indian peoples, that either the this indicators are working on the bank nifty or Indian market. So I have need to show you the results in bank nifty or nifty 50 as well. So let's see the results in bank nifty. Okay, from this point, perfectly buy trade, you can see. Okay, the first buy trade you got here at this point. Okay, and you got the profit. Again buy trade, and you can see you got amazing profit again. Okay, again buy trade, and you can see you got amazing profit again. So from this point you can see you got another entry, buy entry, and profitable. And now the Indian market is not uh, because Indian market is not closed. Otherwise, if we, and the RSI, okay, this is the RSI ribbon. When the RSI ribbon come below from the lower band line, you will get the buy signal. And the third condition, the yellow line, the yellow line is almost upside from the upper band line, so definitely you will get the buy entry here. Okay, so you can see it's working perfectly on bank nifty. And let me show you results in some other pairs, like let me show you bank nifty 50. In the nifty 50, okay, in the nifty 50, you can see, you in the nifty 50 you are getting buy signal. RSI is almost very close to the lower band line, so this is your perfectly buy trade. Okay, in the previous one you can see buy trades and it's profitable. Okay, in the previous buy entry and profitable. Okay, in the most previous you can see again buy entries and profitable, again buy entry and profitable. Okay, from this point you do not need to go for the buy entry or sell entry as well. Okay, so this is your perfectly buy entry again, and in the previous, like this one, you can go for the buy trade. Okay, and this is a strongly sell volume here, and you can see you got the entry at this point. Okay, this is your perfectly sell entry. Now you can see my indicators work perfectly on neck. Let me show you results in SPX and Nasdaq as well. I will show you results. Okay, so here you can see, from this point you can go for the buy trade. From this point you need to go for the buy trade, and it's give you amazing profit. Amazing, man. Another buy entry and profitable. And now this is your most recent buy signal, and now you are in some good profit. Here you can see this is the most recent buy entry, and now you are in some good profit. Okay, the indicator work on all time frame, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour. Even you can use this indicator in 4-hour time frame as well. Okay, okay, let me show results in some crypto pairs and forex pairs. Okay, now you can see in the BNP, that is a forex, sorry, crypto pair, and now you can see there is no so far entry, and in the previous, that was your buy entry. Okay, that was your buy entry. Okay, actually at this point you can see you got the buy signal. Um, Yellow line is upside, but RSI is was not below from the band line or very close, but not even the RSI was not close to the lower band line. But at this point you can see the RSI was very close to the lower band line, so this is your entry, but that was not our buy entry. Okay, now here you can see buy entry and it was perfectly. Here you can see again, and let me show results in forex pairs some and GBP USD, because this indicator work on all pair. Like you can use this in crypto pair, forex indices, Indian markets. You can use in all pairs. Okay, even you can use this indicator in forex stock as well. Okay, you can see. I do not need to tell you all the thing, but you have need to watch it from your eyes, and you can see this was your sell entry from this point, and you can see it was perfectly okay. This was your buy entry, this was your buy entry, and both trades are profitable. Okay, so I think I gave you the all details. Now the question is how you can get my scripts. Okay, these are my point scripts, and how you can get the script. And if you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can also contact me on my. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you have need to stay away from them. Okay, and these are my point script here. These are my point all point scripts, and the people who are buying, I am giving them all of my scripts. Okay, I'm not giving one or two indicators. If you need, I will give you the all indicators. And one more important, very important thing, my scripts are paid. Okay, because if you have question, then why you are selling my indicator, because these are my efforts. Okay, and if I am charging for my efforts and you are getting good indicators, then I don't think it's a very big deal. Okay, it's not a bad idea, or you can say it's a very effective for you as well, and these are my efforts, so I am earning some money from by selling them. So it's actually a very good deal. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. @simple hoga, one right, one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channel and there are scammers, so you have need to stay away from them, because after scamming lot of people contact me, then that we scam from lot of people. So I am warning you in my each video that do not join fake Telegram channel, because I do not have any officially WhatsApp groups or Telegram group. Okay, just personal contact me. Gmail at simplehoga@gmail.com. These are my officially Gmail. Hopefully you will like my video. Must subscribe my channel, and must subscribe my channel. That's it. Okay, I think I give you the all details. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.